Hi, Vince O'Malley here. Hope you're doing well. Good to have you here. Now you're watching this video today, which tells me you're doing some research on what is affiliate marketing and how does it work. Well, you've landed on the right video because over the next few minutes, I'm going to tell you exactly what is affiliate marketing and how it works. Now, this YouTube channel that you're watching is dedicated to people getting started in affiliate marketing. So subscribe down below and let's grow this channel as big as we can and help as many people as we can. Also, if you want to get more information, learn more strategies on how to get started in affiliate marketing, click the description in the link in the description below the video. There's some great stuff in there. So let's get into this then. So what is affiliate marketing and how does it work? First thing I should say, affiliate marketing shouldn't be confused with other methods of online marketing like network marketing or MLM, multi-level marketing. MLM is where you bring people into your business and they are below you and you get commissions, small commissions on what they earn. And so you're kind of reliant on other people to do a good job for you to make a good income. This is affiliate marketing. It's a standalone business. You are your boss. You don't have people above you or people under you. You are in control of your own business. So it's probably easier if I dive into the computer now and show you a little slideshow of what is affiliate marketing. Then we'll go into a little bit more in depth on how it works. So let's have an overview of what is affiliate marketing. So all over the world, there are millions or billions of people, and these people all have different problems, different challenges, pains in their life that they want to get solved. And these problems can range anything from how to lose weight, find a partner, train your dog, play a musical instrument, or even make money online from affiliate marketing. The list really goes on and on. It's endless. And the way people try and solve these problems is by doing a Google search. So they'll do a search at how do I lose weight, and there will be somewhere on the internet a product or a service that will solve this problem. Now, an affiliate marketer is the man in the middle. And it's the affiliate marketer's job to source these products and then to promote them to their customers. And then when the customer makes a sale, buys the product through you, you earn a commission, a referral fee. So that's affiliate marketing in its basic form. So let's actually go into it a little bit more depth on how this all works. So that's the overview of affiliate marketing, but how does it work? So you've got your product, you've decided on something that you're going to sell or rather promote to your customers. So what you need to do then is drive traffic to that offer. Now, what is traffic? Traffic's just an industry term for eyeballs on your business. You need people to come to your business to be able to see what you have on offer. And so you need to drive traffic to something called a landing page, often called a capture page or a squeeze page. Now let's just have a quick look at what a landing page will look like so you can get an idea of what the customer goes through when they first find you. So here is an example of a landing page. In this particular example, it's for a weight loss product. Now, when somebody clicks on a link within your promotional material, they would land on your capture page. Now, the point of a capture page or landing page is to obtain the email address of that visitor. And this is normally done by offering something of value to the customer in exchange for their email address. So in this particular instance, a weight loss product, so we're saying that we can help the visitor lose £30, but without having to starve themselves. So that might appeal to someone who's trying to lose weight. Now, if you're promoting a product on how to play a musical instrument, that just would not make any sense. And so obviously the visitor is not going to opt in. So it needs to be, the title needs to be something that is very, very closely related to what the customer is searching for. What you offer them in exchange for their email address has also got to give value to them. This can be in the form of a PDF or an ebook, or in this particular instance, it's a free video training series. So if somebody lands on this page and they are looking to lose weight and the benefit of not having to starve themselves, there's a very good chance that they will leave you the email address and register for the free training to find out exactly what it is you have to offer. So when the visitor opts in and leaves their email address, this is the opportunity for you to build rapport, build a relationship with that potential customer in a series of value-driven emails. These emails can be anything that gives value to the customer. It's giving them free information, useful information, anything of value, but in the area that the customer was searching for in the first place. These are not hard sell emails. You were not trying to push the product down the throat of the customer. It's getting the customer to know you, hopefully getting them to like you, but more importantly, it's getting the customer to trust you, because a customer is more likely to buy if they trust you than if they've met you once in an advert or on a YouTube video. I hope that makes sense. Now these emails can contain a link to a blog post or a video containing more useful training or information. And within these blog posts and video, there'll be a link which the customer can click if they want to. It's purely up to them, which takes them to the sales page for the product that you are promoting. Now a sales page, this is something produced by the vendor or the producer of the product or service, and it has all the information that the customer would need. It tells them all the benefits, what it can do for them, how it's going to change their life, etc. And at the end, they have the opportunity to buy if they want to. And when they click that link and make a purchase, that's when you get paid your commission. Now, I hope all that makes sense. So I hope you got some value from that video today. If you did, a thumbs up would be great. And don't forget to subscribe. Click the button below and never miss out on a new video. Also, leave me a comment in the box below. Let me know what you think. And also, if there are any other topics you want me to cover on this channel, I'll be quite happy to do that for you. And also, if you want to learn more how I got started in affiliate marketing and how we can help you build your business, click the link in the description below this video. It's been good to talk to you today, and I hope to see you soon in another video. Take care now. Bye-bye.